This is a story about human resilience, hope, and waiting. This is also a story about how two programs of St. Vincent Catholic Charities, our Immigration Law Clinic and our Refugee Services Program, how they both work together to provide expert services to a particularly vulnerable person. This client was tortured in her home country, and her resulting injuries left her unable to walk or use a wheelchair. She traveled to the United States on a private hospital airplane accompanied by a private nurse. She was resettled by our Refugee Services Program in December of 2013. Immediately after her arrival in the United States, Michigan endured the ice storm power outage. Unable to locate available hotel accommodations, one of our Refugee Services staff took this client into their home to care for her while there was no power in her apartment. Due to her inability to travel, even locally, services were provided at her home. In 2015, one of our Immigration Law Clinic attorneys visited this client to prepare an application for her green card, which was approved in 2017. The Immigration Law Clinic attorney also represented this client to reunite with her minor child, who suffered similar torture and from whom she had become separated by the situation in their home country. Due to her daughter being a minor and a torture survivor, our Immigration Law Clinic filed requests for expedited processing, worked with the Ombudsman's office, and submitted additional evidence of the impact of the separation on the client's health. In 2018, our Immigration Law Clinic attorney once again visited the client to prepare an application for United States citizenship. Finally, after years of legal work, the client's daughter arrived in the United States in late February 2020, just before the worldwide shutdown of embassies and flights due to the COVID-19 pandemic. In October 2020, a United States Citizenship and Immigration Services officer visited the client in her home so she could be sworn in as a United States citizen. Although this client has suffered greatly in her life and has had many challenges, she is positive, kind, and grateful. Her resettlement and legal integration into the United States has been successful. She owns her own home. She has a caring family around her. She has happiness in her life.